never show you the stuff that messed up on. I'm gonna show you everything. You gonna mess up, especially when you working with D.I.Y with the wrist. Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another video, man. Yeah, thank God, man, for just being here, man. Another beautiful day. Check it out. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. That's right. But man, we're back with the C10 build. Yeah, as you can see, we got the bed off, we got the lift ready. Now it's time to tackle this cab. Man, I don't know what I'm gonna get into, cause I'm
doing this by myself. About to cry.
But anyway, man, y'all stick with me, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. We about to get it in. D.I.Y with the wrist. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man, so you can get every video when it come out. All right, come with me.
Now back up on the C10 build, we're gonna try to get ready to tackle this cab. So first thing we're gonna do, we got to get the doors off, because as you see, we got the tool mark cab and bed removal tool already set up, and we're gonna try to see if this thing can take off a cab. We got three bolts out here, 2 bolts right here that holds the door bracket on the actual hinge of the door on. So we're gonna take the hinges off, and then we're gonna take this conduit off right here that basically protects all your wiring. Once we get the doors off, all of this stuff that we gotta deal with. We got the brakes, we got brake lines we gotta take loose. We already got the bulkhead loose. The bulkhead is pretty electrical with this truck. Electrical been all cut up, but hey, let's get it. Alright, so we're gonna take this out right here. Ain't no telling what you're gonna run into when you mess with these old trucks like that, especially when you're trying to restore them. Alright. You got your wires right there. What I probably do, might just cut them and use the ones that I'm gonna use in the new truck cab. We just cut them just to make the video go a little quicker. But yeah, got that loose. Now we're gonna get these loose, and then we're gonna see if we can get this door out. Let me just warn you now, I don't know what's about to happen, so you getting unedited footage. Here we go. Don't y'all be laughing at me. If any of y'all know an easier way to do this, get up on the comments and let me know. We all help each other in this voyage to get this baby back on the road. I'm not mistaken, on some of these trucks they have shims in these doors. So if you do have shims in your door, you want to make sure that you kind of mark how the shims was, how many shims on each side. That way you kind of get close to your door placement once you put your doors back on. Alright, so that one off. So we got them. Alright, gang. So got a little square nut on here. What we got? That seems to be holding it on. But we're gonna figure out how to get that off. And I'll get back with y'all once we got these doors off. We got the other side off, we got the passenger door off. And I did it a different way than we did it on that side. Make it a lot easier. Instead of taking these off, the hinges, what I did, I just went on ahead and cut that, because like I said, on the donor cab, we're gonna try to make sure all that's intact and keep all that together. But instead of taking these brackets out, what I did over here, I'll let you see over here on this side. If you look inside here, you get the actual bolts that connects to the door. It's easier to get to those. Right here, right now, I got most of them loose, so I got bolts right there. See, we got bolt right down there, and then this one right here, this is the last one, the last two I gotta get before the door come off. So we're gonna go ahead and take those off. And it might be, you know, helpful on this right here. You get somebody to help you, because the door is a little heavy. You know, if you ain't a real man, you might hurt yourself. Good thing I'm a real man. Good thing I'm a real man. I'm gonna get to this right here. Go ahead on, start getting it off. No, watch me saying I'm a real man, something happened. Well, buddy. I forgot one. Alright. I left one right there. Get that out there. See? I told you. Real life scenarios. Go look at Speed Channel and them other channels. They do stuff they don't never see, the stuff they messed up on. I'm gonna show you everything. Cause you gonna mess up, especially when you working with D.I.Y with the yeah. Hey, we ain't in that. Hey, you get the real deal. You getting the real deal. Got my editor over there laughing at me. Voila.
Alright gang, we back. Now you see we got both the doors off the C10 pickup. Alright, so next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get up on here. I'm gonna show you all the cab bolts, and I'm gonna show you what size socket we gotta use to get those cab bolts loose. Alright, so let's get up on here and see what we got. Alright, give you a little light here. Alright, as you can see, that's one cab bolt in the front, and then of course you got one on the opposite side, exactly the same place. Then let's go. The back right there. So it's only 4 cab bolts that's holding this on. So we're gonna get those loose, and that is a 3/4 socket. So I'm gonna use a 3/4 socket, get those loose, and once we get those loose, we'll go to the front of the truck and deal with that wiring harness and the brakes, and get all that loose, and then we'll go ahead and take this cap off.
Alright. I'm trying to get this loose, see what this do. Yeah! Oh my God! Why they put this thing on with? Well, like gonna be a little bit longer.